Hello everyone. So in today's video I'm gonna show you how to download MySQL. So first go to your web browser, search for MySQL, click the first link, go to download section, scroll down and hit MySQL community downloads. Now select MySQL installer for Windows. Now from here you can choose the version, then choose this one, click download, and no thanks, just start my download, and your download will begin automatically. Now just open it and follow my steps. Here, click full, next, execute, click next, 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 and here let it default, click next, make a password, click next, 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 execute, and finish. Now click next, finish, next. Here, enter the password you just created, hit check, now click next, and execute. Now hit finish, and next, and finish. Now as you can see, it's totally worked, but we need to do something. Now just open the C drive, head it to program files, search for MySQL. Now MySQL Server 8.0, go to bin, and now just copy the path. Now open, edit environment variables, click on path, edit, new, and paste your path. Hit OK, OK, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching.